Story time. So me and mommy there at Jamaica and we're visiting my Uncle Dave. When we're about to leave, Uncle Dave say him have a lady at from scratching in the morning. You know, my visit same time to a sleepover because it's over 20 years now since me not eat scratch. So the next morning when the family get up early and some cook breakfast while some of us do the fish for bring back to America. And boy, this feeling of nostalgia just take me. You know, I start remember back in the days when we would have visit our grandparents in the country and mama would be cooking on the coal stove while we, the grandkids, run up and down and I go bush and I climb tree and pick mango, go river. And we were just so happy. It was the simple things that brought us so much joy. Boy, those are the things we miss about Jamaica. What are some of the things that you do when you go Jamaica that you get joy from? All me, first thing we do, I go tasty, get a patty.